quantitative aptitude 1, quantitative aptitude 1. So third topic, cube root and higher roots. The second video, cube root of a perfect cube it is. So if any larger value is given, how can you calculate the cube root of that? So very simple strategy is there, very simple trick is there. So you have to apply this keynote. So what is this keynote? So first see here. So 1 cube. So 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is 8. Now 3 cube 27. 4 cube 64. 5 cube 125. 6 cube 216. 7 cube 343. 8 cube 512. 9 cube 729. See here, very simple analysis is there in this. What is the simple analysis of this one? Now by observing here, 2 ends with 8. Similarly, 8 ends with 2. 8 ends with 2 here. Now 2 ends with 8 here. 2 ends with 8 and 8 ends with 2. One more time here, 3 ends with 7. See here, 3 ends with 7. Again here, 7 ends with 3. 3 ends with 7. Again 7 ends with 3. Now the remaining digits ends with the same digit. Remaining digits. So 1 ends with 1. 4 ends with 4. 5 ends with 5. 6 ends with 6. So 9 ends with 9. Only these 2 points you have to put in your mind. 2 ends with 8, 8 ends with 2, 3 ends with 7, 7 ends with 3. The remaining digits ends with the same digit. So by using this keynote, we can calculate the cube root of any larger values given. So to understand, so I will take a very simple example. Suppose see here, let it be a simple example I will take. Cube root of 1728 it is. What is the cube root of this value? So when cube root gets cancelled, the inner value can be written as cube it is. So which cube it is? We can identify by using this logic. So what is the logic here? So here 8 is there. Last digit you have to observe 8. 8 ends with 2. So the last digit is 2. 8 ends with 2. 2 ends with 8. So here 8 is there. The last digit is 2. Ends with 2. Now after 3 digits put comma. After 3 digits here. After 3 digits put comma. From right after 3 digits. From right after 3 digits put comma. Here 1 is there. Cube root of 1. So what is the cube root of 1? 1. So what is the answer for that? So 12 it is. Understood all of you? Now see here one more example. So cube root of so 3375. What is the value of this one? What is the value of this one? Now here 5 is there. 5 ends with 5 it is. 5 ends with 5 it is. Okay. Now after 3 digits put comma. Now calculate the cube root of this. Now calculate the cube root of 3. What is the cube root of 3? Lies between 1 and 3. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. Smaller one you have to take. Between 1 and 8. Cube root of these 3 you have to calculate. Cube root of 3. What is the cube root of 3? Lies between 1 and 3. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. Greater than 1, less than 8. So smaller value 1 you have to take. So what is the smaller value? 1. So what is its value? 15. Similarly, I will take one more example. So in the book it is there. So many examples are there in the book for the practice it is. So I will explain some examples of this it is. Now what is the cube root of this? How can you calculate? Some example I will take. See here, what is the cube root of? Now see here, what is the cube root of 132651? Cube root of 132651. What is the value of this one? How can you calculate? How can you calculate the cube root of this one? Observe the last digit 1. So 1 ends with 1 only. Last digit is 1. 2 ends with 8, 8 ends with 2, 3 ends with 7, 7 ends with 3. The remaining digits ends with the same digit. So here 1 is there, the last digit is 1. It may be 21 or 31 or 41 or 51 or 61 or 71. What is its value? That is how we calculate. After 3 digits, put comma. After 3 digits. After 3 digits, put comma. Count from right. After 3 digits, put comma. Now calculate the cube root of 132. What is the cube root of 132? Okay. 5 cube is 125. 5 cube is 125. Here 132 is there. 5 cube is 125. 6 cube is 216. So between 5 and 6, so smaller one, 5 we have to take. So that 132 lies between 5 and 6 it is. 5 cube 125, 6 cube is 216. So between 5 and 6 means in these two take the smaller one 5. So what is the cube of that value? So 51. So 51 cube is 132651. I will take one more example. So in the book, so many examples are there. I will take one more example. 42875. Cube root of 42875. All these are perfect cube series. What is the value of this one now? What is the value of this? So last digit is here 5. 5 ends with 5 only. Now after 3 digits, put comma here, put comma here. Now calculate the cube root of this one, 42. Okay, so 3 cube is 27. So 4 cube is 64. Between 3 and 4. Okay, 42 is there. 42 lies between 3 and 4. Cube root of 42 lies between 3 and 4. 3 cube is 27. 4 cube is 64. Between 3 and 4 means the smaller one, 3, you have to take. So what is its value? 35. So it is 35 cube. Understood all of you? I took one more example. So in the book, so I will take one more example. Suppose the cube root of 262144. 262144 it is. What is the value of this? Try on your own, all of you. So what is the strategy we follow? Last digit is 4. 4 ends with 4. So last digit is 4. After 3 digits, put comma. After 3 digits, put comma here. Now put comma. Now calculate the cube root of 262. 5 cube 125. 6 cube 216. 7 cube 343. Between 6 and 7. 6 cube is 216. Here 262 is there. 6 cube 216. 7 cube 343. Between 6 and 7. Now in the 6 and 7, the smaller one you have to take 6 it is. So what is the answer for that? 64 is the answer it is. Just like any larger value is given. So you can calculate the cube root of that one if it is a perfect cube. So cube root of a perfect cube. So by using this strategy, you have to calculate. In your examination, by using these tricks, you can save the time. Time management is very important for each and every competitive examination. Okay, more examples are there in this book for the practice. Okay, practice all the examples. Thank you to all.